recently you got the news that my bird died. Some of you have, some of you have not. So me and Dia, one person who doesn't want to film, will. It's you. Hi. You're the problem of my life. So yes. So yesterday my bird died. One of them that was actually 9 months pregnant. So that's actually a big deal. And trust me, I didn't kill her, guys. So actually, we give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So she actually overfed herself too much when she was 9 months pregnant, and the person who we got the bird, person who we got the bird from, she told us that this one is actually 9 months pregnant. Keep a balanced diet and don't feed her too much. So I was like, okay, sure. And then she ate too much. I kept on stopping her, but she kept on eating food, and at the moment she fainted, we rushed down because birds need lot of sunlight, and it was so hot yesterday here. So we rushed down with her. She couldn't fly, she couldn't eat, she couldn't walk. Her eyes got closed and she died. That moment, I felt my cry was fully, I was tearing up fully, and I got water to calm myself down. I buried her in soil down with leaves and flowers. Rest in peace, Lemon. It's my bird's name. Bye.